This is part 111 of ASP.NET Core tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss why email confirmation is important for the security of your application. When registering for an account with a website, we provide our email address. Upon successful registration, an email with a link is sent, which we should click to confirm that the provided email really belongs to us. Until the email address is confirmed, your account will have very limited functionality. Some websites might even block you from signing in until the email address is confirmed. Letting users log in and use your application without a confirmed email is a security risk. Email confirmation is important both for your security and the security of the application. Let's look at some of the common issues that we run into and how a confirmed email can either prevent or reduce the occurrences of these issues. First, we have preventing accidental account hijacking. Let's say, for example, a user registered with our application with this email, john@foo.com. His actual email is john@foo.com without the letter H in his email. Our application allowed the user to log in and set up his account by providing all the personal, financial, and other required details. This user is using the application as normal, and so far no problem. After a few days, another user who actually owns the email john@foo.com, that is with the letter H in the email, tries to register with our application. He'll not be able to proceed with registration because his email is already in use. So he requests for a password reset link, which will be sent to his email. He clicks on the link and changes the password. There are two problems here. As the password is changed, the first user will no longer be able to log in. When the second user logs in, he will have access to the first user, personal, financial, and all other details provided by that first user when he registered for an account with us. This is a huge concern from security standpoint. The second user is able to hijack the first user account. We wouldn't have been in this situation if the email was confirmed upon initial registration. Next, spam registrations. Email confirmation may not completely prevent spam registrations, but can reduce to a great extent. Without email verification, you're opening the gates of your application to spam bots. A large number of spam accounts can be created by these automated spam bots with random emails. With email verification, you're adding an extra layer of protection. Creating a new email address, registering with your application, and then confirming the email address by logging into the email service provider is definitely much more work than just allowing to register for an account with a random email without any sort of email confirmation. Prevents unsolicited emails. Without email confirmation, you would not know if the email provided during registration really belonged to that user. You may end up sending unsolicited emails if a random email is used or simply mistyped. With email confirmation in place, we know the provided email actually belonged to the registered user and hence prevents sending unsolicited emails. Easy to recover account. In most cases, a confirmed email is the easiest method for account recovery if a user has forgotten their username or password. In our next videos, we'll discuss how to block a user from signing in if the email is not confirmed and sending a confirmation email. That's it in this video. Thank you for listening.